Sorry guys, I'm not in the mood for makeup today. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayo, and if you're new to my channel, alright, so let's get on the table. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayo. Welcome. Thank you for coming. Today we are going to be reconstructing an old purse. Now most of the petals have actually fallen off. I have a few here, and so what I'm simply going to do is, what I'm simply going to do is hold the existing petals and then cut out a few more petals and hold it, tack it on to the purse. The back is still very much okay. If you look well, there's still a lot of petals on it and they haven't fallen off, so I might just hold that two in so that it doesn't fall off later on. So other than that, that's pretty much it. So stay tuned. Oh, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So let's look at the damages. We can see that there are a few petals missing. You can see right here petals are missing, right here as well there are a few petals missing. The inside of the purse is fine. There's nothing wrong with the inside, which is fine. We also have that here, yeah, so we need to tuck that in. And then at the back, everything seems fine. The petal seems okay. The only problem is here, so we need to glue that back and put it back in. So let's get started. Right, we are going to cut the fabric. I just bought about half a yard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold it again. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I just bought about half a yard, so I'm going to fold it like so. Fold it again. Check it to see how much can be gotten from here, and maybe even fold it again. Let's see, will that work? And so let's fold it into three. Will that work? Perfecto. So now with the scissors, we are going to cut a few petals. So you can either, first of all, you can actually trace it and then before you cut, but I'll just cut it straight away anyway. Alright, so using this as a template, I cut a couple of circles on the bridal satin. The next thing is I need to burn the edges so that it doesn't frill. So let's begin. I know that most of this probably will fall out soon, so I'm going to tack everything. Let's see. So I'm putting the petals in. Careful not to tangle your thread. Oops, try not to pull too hard. Another one somewhere here. Take the next petal. Take the next petal. Fold it in 4. And tuck it in. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.